Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. So today I got Galaxy S9 Plus, and if you have Galaxy Note 9, Galaxy S9, and Galaxy S9 Plus, but it must be having an Exynos chipset. You can install the custom ROM, the ported ROM of OneUI 6, Android 14. Yes, that is right. OneUI 6 and Android 14 on your mobile phone. So this ROM is for Galaxy Note 9, Galaxy S9, and Galaxy S9 Plus Exynos chipset. So I have updated my mobile phone already to One UI 6 and Android 14, and a good ROM, mostly stable ROM. So if you want to get know about this ROM, that how the ROM is working, I have provided a link of the review video in this video description. You can watch that video and get know about this ROM, the performance, and what are the things, what are the stuff that is working properly with the ROM. Get an idea from that video, then you can make your mind either you want to flash this ROM or not. So starting the tutorial video of flashing, how to flash the One UI 6 and Android 14 ROM, the Samsung One UI on the Galaxy S9 Plus. Right now I have Galaxy S9 Plus. The procedure is same for the Galaxy Note 9, Galaxy S9, and Galaxy S9 Plus. But only the difference is the custom recovery file you will have to use according to your model. Only the custom recovery file. Do not forget to subscribe my channel to stay connect with my channel, and also do not forget to tap the bell icon, tap the select all. Thank you so much. I appreciate to those who just did that and to those who already did that. So finally, I am back with my mobile phone, and I have flashed the stock firmware of Android 10 on my mobile phone. This is the model G965F/DS. I have a dual SIM variant. We'll go to software information. And currently, the mobile phone, the Galaxy Note 9 or Galaxy S9 or Galaxy S9 Plus, must be having One UI version 2.5 and Android 10. And we all know that this mobile phone will not be updated further, but we can do that by unlocking the bootloader of the mobile phone and flashing the custom ROM. So you have to tap the build number for 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Developer mode has been enabled, right? Check the mobile phone battery must be charged to maximum. We'll go back to settings and we'll scroll down, go to developer options, and you must see that the OEM unlocking must be here right now, because I came from the custom ROM to stock firmware. The OEM unlocking is not here. So I have to bring the OEM unlocking back. How to do that? First of all, connect your mobile phone with the internet. So after your mobile phone connected with the internet, go back to settings and then tap software update and check the mobile phone for once or twice. Tap download and install for the updates. So I have just flashed the latest stock firmware on my mobile phones, and definitely my mobile phone will show that the software is up to date. In case if you are getting any OTA update, I must advise you to take the update and update your mobile phone to the latest stock firmware. Then you can proceed the further steps. So I can see that my mobile phone is showing your software is up to date. We'll go back and then we'll go again to developer option. And this time definitely you will see the OEM unlocking is back and it must be turned on. In case if you see that OEM unlocking is back and it is off, then turn it on. And one more thing, when you are trying to turn on the OEM unlocking the mobile phone, either Galaxy Note 9 or Galaxy S9 or Galaxy S9 Plus requires to data factory reset. You must save all the internal storage data before applying or before turning on the OEM unlocking. The data factory reset must requires, then the OEM unlocking will get turned on. You must save all the internal storage data before proceeding this procedure. must charge the mobile phone battery to maximum, and also go to the accounts and backup, remove the Google account, remove the Samsung account. Then you can proceed the turning on the OEM unlocking feature on in the developer option. Now if you have done all these things, you can simply power off the mobile phone. So these are the files that we have to download. Just make a new folder and download these files by clicking the provided links in my video description. This is the Noble ROM 4.0. So this one is for Galaxy Note 9, this particular ROM file. Galaxy Note 9, Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus. And the Odin file patch TWRP also will be same for three mobile phone like Galaxy Note 9, S9, S9 Plus. The play integrity file, yes, it will also be used in these three mobile phones. USB driver, if you are not having the USB driver installed on your Windows, must download it and first install it on your Windows, so the device will get connected and the Windows will install the drivers automatically after connecting the mobile phone in Odin mode with computer. TWRP file, this is the image file and the other one is star file. Now currently I have S9 Plus, so I have downloaded the S9 Plus custom recovery file. I will provide Galaxy Note 9 custom recovery file in description link, and also I will provide link of the Galaxy S9 in the description. You can download the custom recovery file according to the model that you have, right? The image file will be used like for those who have the mobile phone and they have already an unlocked bootloader and already have an custom recovery. So you can install the image custom recovery file directly by copying this file to your internal storage of your mobile phone and directly flashing it from the custom recovery, the one you have already installed on your mobile phone. These both files, the repartitioner and the cleaner, both files will use for the three mobile phone that must be Note 9, S9 and S9 Plus Exynos chipset. First of all, check the USB driver, install it. If you are not having it, one, extract the Odin in same folder. Open the extracted folder of Odin and double click the Odin file to open it. Click OK on next pop-up window. The Odin will get open, and on the Odin screen, click AP. Go to your same downloaded folder where all the files are saved, and select the TAR custom recovery file. By clicking on it, then click open, and Odin is ready. Now coming back towards the mobile phone. The mobile phone must be power off and mobile phone bootloader must be unlocked. How to do that? By turning on the OEM unlocking, automatically the bootloader will get unlocked. The mobile phone must be power off. We have to boot the mobile phone into Odin mode. For that, press and hold the volume down key, then Bixby key and power key. At the same time, you will see a warning screen. Release all three keys, then press the volume up key once to boot the mobile phone into Odin mode. Press the volume up key once again to light up the screen. Now let me show the Odin mode screen. It is supposed to be like this. Now you can see that currently I have Samsung official firmware. The current binary is Samsung official. FRP lock must be off and OEM lock must be off also. So finally the mobile phone booted into Odin mode. Now connect the cable with the mobile phone and check the other side of this cable must be connected with computer. After connecting the data cable with the mobile phone, the Odin will detect the device. My Odin already detect my mobile phone and the phone is added. We'll go to options on the Odin and we'll untick the auto reboot. Then we'll go back to log and we'll click start to start flashing the custom recovery, and it will done soon. The pass message means that recovery got flashed. Now click reset and click exit to exit the Odin, and we'll go back to the downloaded folder. Now we have to boot the mobile phone into custom recovery and must see that the cable will be connected with the mobile phone in the whole procedure. The mobile phone still booted into Odin mode. We have to boot the mobile phone into custom recovery for that. Now here I want your concentration. we have to press all four keys. That must be volume up key, volume down key, Bixby key, and the power key. When set reboot, you will leave or you will release the volume down key first. And when you see the Samsung logo, you will release the power key, but do not release the volume up key and Bixby key until you see the custom recovery screen, right? Starting the procedure of booting the mobile phone into custom recovery, pressing all four keys. Right. Waiting. Mobile phone will restart. I will release the volume down key first and I will release the power key. Just wait and release the volume up key and Bixby key after you see the custom recovery screen. Swipe to allow modification, then tap wipe, tap format data, type YES, tap here, go back, go back, go back, tap reboot and tap recovery. Once again, swipe to allow modification. Now you can see that the internal storage code appears on my computer screen. I will go back to my downloaded folder and I will copy the patch twrp file. Patch twrp file from the downloaded folder, and then we'll go to internal storage of the mobile phone and we'll paste that file in over here. Done. Coming back towards the mobile phone screen, tap install, select the patch twrp file and swipe. And when it is done, then go back to the main screen, tap reboot, tap recovery. So the recovery got back on the mobile phone screen and the internal storage once again pop up on the computer screen. We'll go back to the downloaded folder and this time I will copy the repartitioner file from here and then I will paste to my internal storage of my mobile phone. Right, now coming back towards the mobile phone screen, tap install and select the universal repartitioner zip file from by tapping on it and then swipe. The mobile phone will auto reboot to recovery. Swipe to allow modification. Once again, the internal storage will appears on the mobile phone, but you can see that we are not able to copy any file on the mobile phone right now. So we have to format data. Now for this, tap wipe and tap format data and type YES and tap here. Right, done. And go back and reboot and recovery. Doesn't matter, just swipe. So the custom recovery booted to once again swipe to allow modification. As you can see that the internal storage once again pop up on the computer screen. Now this time I will go back to my downloaded folder and this time I will copy the universal cleaner file from the downloaded folder and will go back to my mobile phone internal storage. We'll paste that file over here. Done. I will come back to the mobile phone screen, tap install, select the cleaner file by tapping on it and then swipe. The mobile phone will get reboots automatically after flashing the file. Swipe to allow modification once again and the internal storage will pop up once again on the computer screen. Here we go. Now we'll go back to settings to make the brightness lower and to make the screen time out to maximum. Right. Now going back to my downloaded folder and I will copy this time the ROM file, Noble ROM 4.0 from the downloaded folder and will go to my the internal storage of my mobile phone and will paste that ROM file on the internal storage of my mobile phone. Now it will take a little time, just wait for it here. We'll come back to the mobile phone screen. Tap install and select the file by tapping on it, the ROM file, and swipe to start flashing. Now here, I would like your concentration. First, read carefully and check the box. Then tap next. Clean install. Select the clean install. Then tap next. And select your CSC base on your country. In case if you could not find your country, CSC code of your country, you can select any near to your country or any near region to your country. Leave the selection over here, advanced, debloat it and tap next. And just check and read what you select will not get installed. What you select will not get installed. So the all the options and all the features that are you can see on the screen are not selected that would going to install. But if you do not want any of these or any one of these, you can just tap to select and it will not get installed. I will leave everything like this. I will tap next, but you can do your own selection, right? You can do your own selection. Same thing here. What you select will not get installed, and what you select will not get installed once again. Check here. Build prop tweaks. Now here, if you select one of these, will get installed. So I will select increase images quality to 100, enable multi-user, yes, and disable SPCM app killer, yes. Then next. But I will say it again that do your own selection. Tap next. Choose CSC tweaks to get applied. So we have to select what we like to have will get installed. So we have to select from these. Camera during call, yes. Camera shutter, okay. SMS to MMS, no. More SMS option, yes. Call blocking, yes. Network speed, LTE only. Show 5-digit, no, I don't want that. Recent app protection, yes. Call recorder, definitely I want it. Click next. Bixby button, remapper. Okay, I will leave the selection like this, but you can do what you like to have. Tap next. And do you want to enable DeX mode? Here you can see or you can read that the DeX mode it already selected yes, and you can read that won't be able to use DeX with HDMI and your phone as a mouse. Now, if you leave this selection like this, the Samsung DeX will open on your mobile phone. It will not open in with the external LED. But if you select no, so the Samsung DeX will get open when connecting it with the LED, external LED via HDMI or via DisplayPort, whatever option you have. So I will select no, I want to connect my mobile phone or I want to use the DeX with the LED, external LED. The next is choose the level of animations, low end, high end, low end. It's on you. What you like to have, go for the selection. I will leave the selection like this, low end. Do you want to install good lock? Yes, I will leave the selection yes. So I will select S21 boot animation. The other one is choose fonts pack you want. The other one, the 1120 plus fonts pack. And the last one is choose emojis pack you want. Now it's on you, whatever option you like to, you can select that. I will leave the option like this. Click next or tap next. Choose routing method. Now the developer also advising us to select the images. So I will go for the images. I will not select any other option. I will leave the selected option like this. Do you need green line display fix? If you are having the green line display problem, you can go for the yes. Otherwise, you can go for the no. Do you want to overclock CPU? I don't want it. Yeah, if you want, you can go for the yes option. Do you want to enable home button pressure? I will leave the selection like this. Do you want to install a kernel manager? Yes. Choose the ZRAM. Okay, the whatever option is selected, I will leave like that and tap next, and the installation get started. Wait for it now. Installation completed. Script succeeded. Tap next. The phone will go back to recovery. Swipe to unlock. Then reboot system. The mobile phone will reboot and will start booting to OneUI 6 ROM soon. Finally, first boot completed. Complete the setup screen. Finally, the ROM got flashed very perfectly. I will go to settings to display and to change the font and also to turn off the auto brightness. Now for the font style, we have to wait for a little because there are many fonts here in this ROM that will take a little time to boot, and you can select the font you like to have in this mobile phone or with the ROM. Same mobile phone, but model number got changed because this ROM is ported from the high flagship mobile phone for the Galaxy Note 9, S9 and S9 Plus. tapping the software information to show that now the mobile phone got updated from OneUI 2.5 to OneUI 6.0 and from Android version 10 to Android version 14. Now we can see that the Magis application in the menu, but not having a proper icon, which means that the Magis application requires to be downloaded. So connect the mobile phone with the internet, and after connecting the mobile phone with the internet, tap Magis application that you can see on the in the menu. Upgrade to full Magis to finish the setup. Yes, tap OK. Well, Magis application got downloaded. Tap to open it. And your device needs reflash Magis work properly. Please install the Mag. No, you have to tap cancel every time when this window pop-ups. Now tap modules. Yes, we can install the modules, and these are the red lines that needs to be fixed. Go home back to the Magis application. Tap settings and scroll down and turn on the Zygis over here. Then go back and tap modules, and you have to go back to home, then tap the arrow key and tap reboot. Wait for it, let the set reboot, then we will continue. Mobile phone got rebooted, and I have unlocked the screen. I will tap the Magis application once again to open it, and once again the window will pop up. Just tap cancel and tap modules, and definitely you will see that both modules are now working properly. The second one requires update. You can tap the update here, tap install. Okay, done. You can reboot later. And mobile phone got rooted also. Mobile phone got updated also. We are having One UI 6 and Android 14 on the Galaxy S9 Plus, and same way like you have Note 9 or S9. This is how to update the Note 9, S9, S9 Plus from One UI 2.5 to One UI 6, from Android 10 to Android 14. Now just log in your Gmail account, and you can open the Play Store. You can download files, application you like to have, and also you will see the device will certified, and also the safety net will be passed after checking it. In case if you see that device is not certified, then you can go to the settings, apps, and clear the data of the Play Store, then the Google Play services, and done. I hope you got helped by this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Take a good care of yourself. Goodbye.